UV wall panels, the ultimate transformation to your interior space. Embark on a captivating journey of interior transformation with UV wall panels. These panels offer a unique blend of style, durability, and ease of use, taking your interior design to the next level. The ultraviolet coating ensures scratch resistance, fade-proof durability, and hassle-free maintenance, keeping your walls looking fresh and vibrant for years. With a diverse range of styles and colors available, ultraviolet wall panels seamlessly blend with any decor, creating a visually appealing and cohesive look. Whether you are looking to refresh a single room or redesign your entire home, ultraviolet wall panel is the perfect choice. Not only are they stylish, but also eco-friendly and long-lasting. They require minimal upkeep and are built to stand the test of time. Welcome inquiry.